Rahul from SNS College of Engineering, Mechatronics Department. I am here to talk about artificial intelligence in mechanical engineering. Introduction: 10 million autonomous vehicles will hit the roads by 2020. In 10 years, full autonomous vehicle will be the norm. AVS will generate as $7 trillion annual revenue stream by 2050. Widespread adoption of AVS could lead to 90% reduction in vehicle crashes. Introduction of cruise control. FCC allocates 75 MHz of spectrum. Teams create vehicles that self-navigate a 60-mile. Google being self-driving car project. Google autonomous car process a 14-mile driving test in Nevada. NHTSA release initial policy on autonomous vehicles. Tesla release in autopilot self-driving mode. Uber hires 40 Canadian Malign Robotics research to work on autonomous vehicle. For Ford being testing its self-driving cars in CAASMI. NHTSA issues revised safely guidelines for autonomous vehicles. NHTSA issues guidelines for testing and deployment of autonomous vehicles. Basic physical ecosystem of an autonomous vehicle. Global positioning vehicle. GPS. LIDAR, light detection and ranging, camera, ultrasonic sensor, central computer, radar sensor, dedicated short range communication based receiver. Hyundai Verna is one of the such premium sedan car in India, offers a large variant choice to the buyer from power engine and future wise. Hyundai Motors India Limited Private offered that all new Hyundai Verna is 2 petrol engine and 2 diesel engine. Trims from power wise, petrol engine of the car is available in 1.4 liter and 1.6 liter trims, while diesel model has also the same trims. Besides this, the Korean car make has offered automatic transmission system in 1.6 liter engine variant of both petrol and diesel models, which increased customer choice at good level. Hyundai Verna Fluidic comes loaded with 1.6 VT petrol engine, makes peak power of around 123 PS at 6300 RPM and a massive torque of around 115.8 at 4200 RPM. It has fuel economy of 9.5 kmpl is city and 14.5 kmpl on highway. The company offered this automatic transmission system in top and variants of petrol and diesel modes of Hyundai Verna Fluidic. For both variants, which have been offered as standard, which have offered been standard eco driving indicator, leather upholstery, speed sensing door lock, front dual and curtain airbags, alloy wheels, electrochromic IRVMS, rear view camera with display, multifunction steering wheel, rear parking sensor, ABS with EBD, etc. Hyundai Verna has been good choice to various variant seeker is a premium sedan which is offer something amazing to them. Hyundai Verna Automatic is an ideal to automatic sedan car seeker in both petrol and diesel engine models. Is too good both petrol and diesel models. Hyundai Verna has automatic transmission system in 1.6 VT SX variant of petrol model and 1.6 CRDI SX variant of diesel model. Petrol 80 variant of the Beast comes at rupees 9.69 lakh, while diesel at variant is available at 10.89 lakh at X showroom Delhi. Problems: it is taking too long to deliver product to the customer. Why? There are too many orders backlogged in the system. We couldn't skip particular orders for almost 3 weeks. We were out of specific piece of equipment on the orders. There was a material shortage on a component. We have only one single source for the component and the supplier could not deliver the component. Thank you.